everybody, welcome to Just Upright. My name is Doc Jing Ruder. I'm a doctor of physical therapy and I'm a certified dementia practitioner. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for watching. Viewers, subscribers, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. Check out my books at Amazon.com. Check out my published books at Amazon.com. If you are a foreign trained therapist, physical therapist, and want to be guided on the step-by-step process on how to become a licensed physical therapist here in the US, this book is for you and it has good reviews on Amazon.com. The next book is Practical Tips for Therapists Prior to Migrating or Starting Your US Practice. This book is full of wisdom for you to be psychologically and professionally prepared before embarking into your US practice as a therapist. The third book is Just Upright, Practical Tips to Improve Posture, Balance, and Decrease Fall Risk. These are for older adults with practical exercises you can do at home modification program, and priceless information that may improve your life and enjoy your retirement years. And these are also for clinicians. I have Clinician Corner here that has standardized tests backed up by research studies and other evidence-based practice that you can use and utilize in your clinical practice. Check our website, justuprighttherapy.com, and if you hit the courses or coaching, you will see there that I offer one-on-one coaching for newly graduate or foreign trained physical therapists who want to be guided on how to do documentation or clinical decision making. And it's available here at justuprighttherapy.com. You can view more and you can schedule an appointment for me. And also I have a course here available, Practical Tips for Physical Therapy Evaluation Documentation. And if you click view more, you can see the curriculum here. It will walk you through from PT evaluation duration and the parts of evaluation, chart review, past medical history, so on and so forth, down to the frequency of treatment. So practical information that you may want to have, you may want to learn before you embark into the therapy world. Available at justuprighttherapy.com. So today, our topic is all about the posture, how to improve your standing, okay? So most of my patients, older adults, have this hunch over, we call that stoop posture, okay? Unfortunately, in younger generations, they also have this, the younger ones, teenagers, have this posture because of texting for a long period of time in slouch position or on the computer doing this, okay? Usually, poor posture is brought about by imbalances around the body, okay? So, in case of stoop over posture, the hunch over posture, the front muscles of the trunk or the chest muscles are tight and the back muscles are stretched, okay? And any stretched muscles for a long period of time will become weak, okay? So the idea of restoring the balance is good in order to regain a good posture, okay? So what we're going to do today is a very simple exercise that I do with my clients, with my patients. If I know that they can do it safely and effectively with me, I do it with them even they are 80, 90, 100-year-old patient, okay? So this is very good for strengthening the upper back muscles or the scapular muscles, okay? That's responsible for us to stand up straighter in this area of our body. So our friends from Range Masters sent us this. So this is called the Posture PT, okay? Posture PT exercise equipment. So we have this band, the yellow band, and it comes with this Thera loop, okay? So this is the door anchor, okay? So if you don't have any pole that you can put this around, you can use this, okay? And I'll show you how to put it on. Open the door and insert the wedge end of the Theraloop door anchor through the space between the hinge side of the door frame. Shut the door. Make sure that the loop is tight and secure before using it. So we're going to put the band through the loop. Okay. So depending on how strong you are, okay, you can hold to the end part of this or to the middle or nearer, okay, and just give it a try. Okay, the best way to do this is actually like a shoulder level area. Okay, your elbows should be bent, not straight, to target those scapular retractors that we call the muscles responsible for squeezing your shoulder blades together. Okay, that helps you to stand up straighter. So when you do this, you pull back and you squeeze your shoulder blades together. Okay, pull back, squeeze your shoulder blades together. Okay, I'm gonna turn around for you to see what's happening. Squeeze the shoulder blades together. Okay, so you have to stand up straight. Make sure if you're going to do this, you are stable enough and you're not high risk for falling while doing this. You don't want to break any bone while doing this exercise, okay? All right. So you can do this 10 to 20 times per set and then rest. Okay, that's one set for example, and then you do another 10 or 20 repetitions. Okay, and you can do this every other day, especially when you're starting, to give the muscle some rest in between. Okay, so you're not all achy the whole week long. Okay, 10 to 20 times. Okay. Okay, now if you feel like that's very easy, I don't feel any resistance at all, what you can do to increase the resistance, or if later on you want to be more challenged, you can fold it into half, and then I'll just fold it here lengthwise so I can easily put it through the loop. Okay, so it's shorter and has more resistance. Okay, I do this as part of my exercise as well. This is one of the one of my favorite exercises for my back. Okay, there you go. So I will put the link down below for the Range Master if you want to get this equipment. Very simple exercise equipment. All you need is a door, this Theraloop, and the band, and you are set for exercising your upper back. There are so many exercises out there, guys, so this is just one that I like because it's simple, it's practical, and it is effective. Okay, so those things are very crucial when you're doing exercises, for you to adhere and continue doing the exercises that you know is good for you, and you can easily incorporate that in your day-to-day activities or in your routine. Okay, please share this video to anyone you know. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, and I really appreciate all your support. Subscribers are growing, and I would like to thank you so much for that. Thank you so much again for watching, and stay blessed. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button below to be updated with the latest video releases. Share this channel to other people you know who will benefit from just upright videos. Thank you again, and stay blessed.